Now it's time to export this amazing animation that we've got here. To do this, we click down here and we check our output settings. We want to make sure that our file format is FFmpeg video to export it as a movie. There might be occasions when you want to do it as a PNG or a JPEG sequence, anything like that. I completely understand why you might. There's going to be multiple reasons why, especially if you're exporting for different software and things. But just as a straight video that you can put somewhere, we want to click FFmpeg video. Our container we want to make sure is MP4. And that's probably all we need to do here. We've already checked the frame rates and our end sequence. I'm going to trim the ending to mine because we don't need load of nothing happening at the end. Output, we're choosing where our file is going to be saved. So click here. I'm going to save it to the desktop like a fool. We'll accept. And now, when we render our animation, it will save to there. So to render, we click render. We click render animation, and it will start to render our little cartoon that we've made. You can tell it's done because it will stop. It'll have gone through all the frames and things up there. Okay. Once that's done, you can go to where you saved your file, click on it, and it should open up in your media browser, and you can test that it's there. All done.